Okay, so in the previous section, as it says, you guys used the triangle formula involving sine to find the area. You can also use this where you don't have any angles and it's just working with side, side, side. So this is called Heron's area formula. Famous mathematician basically is who found that. It's using a mixture of the law of cosines and the distance formula. So what we are looking at is we have area equals the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Are you thinking what s is? What is s? Well, s is 1/2 our side values added together. So that variable s is the semi-perimeter. So it's half the perimeter of your triangle that's actually being used within this piece to find the area. So make sure to get this whole formula written down, and we will go ahead and do an application of it.